Are there Amazon FBA training videos? Yes, Amazon FBA training videos are widely available and designed to help both beginners and experienced sellers understand how the platform works. These videos cover every aspect of selling through FBA, from setting up your account and creating listings to managing inventory and optimizing performance. Amazon itself provides official tutorials through its Seller Central resources and YouTube channels, offering simple, step-by-step guidance. These training videos are made to be beginner-friendly, featuring real examples, screen walkthroughs, and easy explanations. They help sellers learn how to prepare shipments, understand FBA fees, track performance metrics, and use essential tools efficiently. Many videos also focus on product research and listing optimization, giving sellers practical strategies to increase visibility and sales. In real-world use, thousands of Amazon sellers rely on these training videos to shorten their learning curve. New sellers often start with these tutorials before investing in advanced tools or courses, allowing them to avoid common mistakes and build confidence. Even established FBA sellers revisit these videos to stay updated with Amazon's latest policies and fulfillment processes. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the research and analytics tools you need to grow your Amazon FBA business.